Unboxing my Starbucks 160Z Champagne Rhinestone.
Starbucks tumbler unboxing. Hi everyone! So for today's video is, ayan, gunbox tayo na purchase natin sa Starbucks. So without further ado, yun natin. Ayan. There you go. Ayan. So this is my third rhinestone tumbler from Starbucks. Ayan na. So, unbox natin. Gusto ko lang mag-shoutout to Midnight, Rue, DB, Anon, and UA. For sure, magagalit na naman sila for this one. Ayan. So, tsanan. This is the Starbucks 2025 Champagne Rhinestone. Ayan. So, if you remember, I unboxed the Silver Snow, also the Aquamarine. Ayan. So, yung Aquamarine is nasa office. Yun yung ginagamit ko sa office. This one naman, for the Silver Snow, ito yung gamit ko sa bahay. Ayan. So, bumili ako ng ganito para po hindi maalikabukan or something. Ayan. This one naman is ito yung ilalagay ko sa motor siguro. Ayan. Every time I go to Starbucks, so this one. So I'm planning to buy another two para sa isang motor ko din. And the other one is during my travel para yun yung lagi kong dalhin kaysa po mag-tumbler ako. So this is the Starbucks 2025. The colorway is Champagne. So, unbox natin. So inside this box is the Champagne. And so maybe next time I will get the black pink or di kaya another the blue one or the green or the black. So this is the Champagne. Ayan. So itong size na to is medyo maliit siya. Ito yung grande size nila. Ayan. Tall ata or something. Ayan. Kasi yung akin is yun yung aking venti. And ito yung pangalawa. Ayan. So inside this box is ang mismong Champagne. Ayan. Gawa muna ako ng something for this one. Okay. Ayan. Siyempre, tanggalin natin ito. Hindi natin kailangan. Anik-anik. Yung straw. So, same price ko rin siya nabili. Nasa konti na lang, magpo 4,000 na. Ayan. So, yun lang. Super cute. Ayan lang. Yun yung pinagkaiba. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching another luho achieve. Bye. It's my gacha day.